What's up, guys? It's Marsh from KDM Marsh, and today we're gonna be playing some Shark Bite on Roblox. I'm sorry that there is a circle. Not the blue one, the yellow one. I do not get to choose if that's there or not. This is what we're gonna do. Okay, I'm pretty sure this is copyright. So this. Oh wait, you guys can't even hear it. Okay. Alright. I've played this game before. You see? You do not start out with a yacht. You see? 40 tubes. Yeah, tubes. I bought this. These are free. You can get these easily. But look at this. 850, 750, 350, 750. Over 260. And then look at the destroyer. 2,000 mines. Oh, how many Robux are those? Math. That would be around 4,000 Robux. Just to get the destroyer. Jeez, dude, I'd rather spend $40 on getting a jet ski than that. Dude, look at this. What the is this? What was happening? I don't know what I'm saying now. Let's watch. This is what we're gonna try doing. I got Robux though. I did not spend all 12 of my Robux. Like I only buy $1 worth of Robux. I buy $10 worth of Robux at a time. That's how I do my work. Holy crap. What? Look at that AK, dude. Ooh, how much is the rocket? Oh, shark's been killed. Shark's been killed. Gotta get ready. Isn't that cool? They won. Okay, we're gonna choose to be the yacht. No. Yes. For you guys, we're gonna be a yacht. Tony para las cebras. Okay, guys, I cut through, so didn't have to wait all that time. Yes, I'm the shark. Yeah, I'm the. Yeah, it feels good to be the shark. I didn't even increase my chance. I was only at the 4th chance. So, dude, I'm gonna go on to be like, Janet. I got 5 teeth. Janet. Nine, 8, 7, 6. Dude, why am I only at that much health? Really dumb. Hello, Governor. It's the beautiful day. Dude, it's hard. What? Woo! Num. Well, everybody knows I'm the shark, so I'm gonna like. Wait, Janet. Go for it. Go for the next closest ship. We gotta jump up. Okay, motorboat. Let's go for it. I have to get the boost on if I want to catch a ship. Like oh darn it, I didn't get it. I didn't get him, darn it. I gotta get the ship. I gotta get the boat. Go for a boat. Go for a boat. Go for a boat. Go for a boat. We gotta jump. We're jumping. Woo! Go, okay, this guy's real close to me. I'm gonna get him. I'm gonna get his ship. I'm like, Janet. My leg! My leg! And like, meanwhile, let the Legion of... Go, go. Duck under. Duck under. Go far down. Go far down. If you don't want to get hit, go far down. So this is so laggy as I'm doing this on a laptop. I can't believe I got shark first time I'm playing. Well, second time I'm playing. Third time I'm playing. Dang it! Dang it! I'm dank! I wish this wasn't copyright music or something like this that I'm listening to and you guys could hear it too because it's pretty dope for this. For being a shark. This is red particles. You guys know what to do. We have to get them. Hey, governor. Good day, governor. We gotta get him. Yes! My leg, bro. I kill people. Okay, we can just... Yacht! Yacht! Just yacht him. Go. Up. Why is there particles? Space it. Boost him. Boost it. Dude, I'm just like, yeah, I'm going for it. So I'm gonna jump up. Watch this. I play Pokemon Go every day. Dude, they can still... Am I gonna land in water suit? Oh, Donna! Donna! I'm like, my leg broke. Yeah. I killed. He's caught my thing. Okay, look it. She's right there. Oh, yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. You can't do that. Can you? So I gotta go for him. I play Pokemon Go every day. Dude. Look at it. This is like the one place I'd be safe. Okay, screw it. I can't go for him. Just I boost at him. Dude, just give up and let me eat you. Dude, duck. Go for him. Down. Oh, come on. I need to get at least another kill. I want to get at 20. Oh, this is fun. This time's up. Shark did not win. Shark has been killed. I've been dead. I'm dead. My leg. Does that mean I get another 5 for killing someone because I killed myself? Yeah, dude, I don't want to kill everyone, bro. I play Pokemon Go. Okay, dude, clutch, go. I play Pokemon Go every day. I play the Pokemon Go. Dude, I play Pokemon Go. I hope I'm not the shark this time because I want to show you what it is like to be a human. Better not be me again. Okay, cool. Kids up! Okay, we're gonna be going to steer that yacht. We're gonna go on that yacht and we're gonna invite like everyone on my yacht. I invite. I'm like, yeah, Alexa horse, I'll drive. She said I'll drive. Get out of that. I don't need that anymore. Dude, ooh, this is a hot chick. We got hot chick here, guys. You driving. Hey, girl, you driving. Oh, shoot. I'm gonna shoot him. Okay, cool. She's driving. Dude, I know there's sharks by us. What's this girl name? I know we playing a game here, but I'm sending her a request. You're my friend, dude. Okay, dude. We driving by. Okay, guys, we driving by past. We going like bam, 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 bam at this point, and it's awesome. We only have like 4 minutes left of recording, so we gonna make the best of this. No, whoops. 3. Cow. Dude, sit your butt down. Get in a seat. So we get out of here. Oh crap. The boat tilting. We're going to like Hilton, bro. Cause what the was that? What? How the shark killed, man? Okay, I'm gonna cut until the next shark's been chosen and we get to choose our boat. Okay? Peace out. Okay, guys, it's in a viral infection, so everybody who gets killed is gonna be turned into a shark. I am gonna go for a good ship. I want to use my yacht. I will invite everyone on my yacht. I shall invite everyone on my yacht. Okay, I got free gamer. I got a good boy today. No, I'm recording. No, I'm recording. You driving, dude. Whoever gets out there first, they driving. No, I'm Rook. I'm recording. People don't think I'm recording. The shark has been removed. Okay, guys, viral infection. We can do this. I ain't getting killed. Okay, I want to make it live. Wait, it's not fake. Okay? Take off the Ziggy the Dog non-believer. Take him out. Stop him. Dab on him. Dab on the haters. Dab on the flipping haters. He a hater. Ziggy the Dog a hater. Dab on him. Okay, hang on. Watch this. I'm going to show you dab on him. Okay, hang on. I want you guys to see. I'll do it whole screen. I play Pokemon Go every day. Jonah, the shark does! I said, say hi to YouTube. I'm like, hey, say hi to YouTube, dude. Like, say hi to YouTube, or else I'll shoot you. Most feel good be on YouTube, dude. Like, say something. Okay, dude, I'm gonna jump up, see if it stops the ship in its path. I'm gonna say hi.